Hello, welcome to English for Construction. Have a big day, and today we're gonna learn 5 more. And let's check it out. Design drawing. Basic design is the elaboration of the conceptual design into a package, defining the process requirements and the associated equipment and project facilities. The basic design of the building was issued last week. Technical design. The depiction of the logical design on a certain software system. The client required the DC to submit technical design by tomorrow. Detail design. Detail design is such a fundamental necessity to manufacturers that it exists at the intersection of many product development processes. The design consultant will develop the detailed design as soon as possible. Shop drawing. A drawing or set of drawings produced by the contractor, supplier, manufacturer, subcontractor, or fabricator. The contractor has modified 10 shop drawings. As-built drawing. Revised set of drawings submitted by the contractor upon completion of a project or particular job. In as-built drawings, some details are different from the ones in the design. Basic design. Technical design. Detail design. Shop drawing. As-built drawing. The basic design of the building was issued last week. The client required the DC to submit technical design by tomorrow. The design consultant will develop the detailed design as soon as possible. The contractor has modified 10 shop drawings. In as-built drawings, some details are different from the ones in the design. Okay, way to go. Try to repeat this again and again and again, then share with your friends and play together. And if you have any idea, please share your comments below and enjoy. And remember, click subscribe button below. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.